to the Woodpecker Ranch. Welcome to the Woodpecker Ranch.
I'm trying to think of something. Should I do? What should I do? I need a bike, so I don't have to walk around like a pig. I should ask everybody to help me build a bike. I think that's what actually should I do. You know what? I am the smart Parker's up. I'm coming, y'all. Fiona, will you help me build this bike for me?
I'm sorry, I wish I could, but I have some other things to do. Plus, building a bike takes so long, bruh. Matter of fact, I think you should do, like, something else. Like, you should ask somebody else. And by the way, if you're asking what I'm doing recently, I am literally going to be, watching my daily TikTok. So, yeah. Gonna be watching my daily TikTok. So, I'm sorry, Pucker. That's why I can't build your bike for you. I'm so sorry, bro. So sorry.
You're right, Fiona. I'm gonna ask somebody else to build my bike. See ya.
See you too.
Danny, will you help me build my bike for me, please? Is there something you want, Parker? Is there something I want? Oh, please, there's always something I always wanted. I want you to build my bike for me. Pretty, please. Well, recently I cannot build your bike for you because I got some fixing to do. I gotta make this Lulu remote work, but it's not budging. There's no work to this Lulu remote. It's not working at all, bro. Just can't go. Well, sorry, Parker, I can't do it. How about you ask somebody else? Well, bye, Danny. I'll talk to somebody else. Hey, Penny. Is there something you want? So, I want you to build a bike for me, please. Well, apparently I can't. 'Cause what made you think a sweet little girl, big girl, want to build a bike for you? You're a man. You should know how to build a bike for yourself. I don't know the materials. I thought pigs were smart, but anyways, I wanted to say that maybe you should probably get a job to get that bike. Like, you should probably get a job or something, Parker? Actually, you're right. I should get a job. Hey, guys, I'm gonna get a job.
What is it? And why do you need a job?
So I could rent out a bike. What do you need a bike for? You're a pig. And pigs run very fast. So you don't need a bike. You're fine. You're fine the way you are. So let's just not let you get a bike. Anyways, I was wondering that I was gonna get a job at a random place.
Okay, Parker. Good luck with that.
Oh, it'll be very good luck. By the way, I hope you do a wonderful job at your job. Thank you. you guys. I'm going to job. Bye. So, hello. Hi, this is your number job. I'm Mr. Chicken. Oh, hi. Hello, Mr. Chicken. So, are you a vegetarian? I'm a pig. Why would I be vegetarian? Whatever, let's just get this job over with. Anyways, get back to work! Okay, I guess. So, is this what you would like? You would like, a spicy chicken sandwich with nacho fries? Okay, I got that for you, homie. Wait, where is Mr. Chicken Nugget? Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you. I'll just be in the back making chicken. That sounds weird. Oh well, I'll just get back to you. Here's your order. Have a good day, y'all. Oh my gosh, my friends are here. Oh, hello, Parker. We came to visit you. Oh, for what? Oh, by the way, you give me 2 number 4s, 3 number 10s, and 1 number 3, and a diet soda, please. Sure.
Parker, don't you think this place is a little, weird?
Bro, yes it is. Everything in this restaurant is made out of chicken. Even the ices are made out of chicken. But I'm not leaving until I get that bike I'm gonna ride. You sure want to get that bike? But who's the manager here? Oh, he said he'll be in the back. That seems suspicious, but okay. I don't know what you're talking about, Penny. But I don't know why you think that this place is suspicious.
Bro, quit talking with your mouth full. That's disgusting.
That was so funny, bro. So, guys, I'm gonna be telling you a sneak peek on season 2, episode 7. I know I'm supposed to be telling sponsored, but I'm just gonna be like, all that other stuff. So, season 2, episode 7 is gonna be the same as the first season. It's gonna be the same as season 1, episode 1. So, guys, that episode will be released on Saturday, March 1st. So, yeah, I think I got the date right, So, if y'all want to check that episode out, y'all should check the premiere of it, guys. So, make sure to check it, guys. By the way, we are sponsored by Chicken King again. So, how was your day, Parker? It was good, actually. That's good to hear, but did you know that that our chicken are cannibals? They're filled with people, What? That is so disgusting, bro. You need to get a new recipe. No, I will never change the recipe ever again. No, you know what? That's it. I'm going out. Don't go out or else I'm going to turn you into a chicken burger. I'm a pig. How are you going to turn me into chicken, you idiot? Do not talk to me like that. Bro, I know you can't be talking. That's why your head built like a cracker. That That's it. You have lost it. I am gonna hit you. You bleeding now? Man, that was easy. You know what? I don't even care about the bike anymore. And Danny was right. I could run pretty fast. Yeah, I'm going back home and quitting this job. Guys, you cannot believe what happened at the restaurant. It was a disaster. Bingo. I knew that place was a disaster. Suspicious? I thought it looked creative to me. So, will you tell us the story of what happened?
Yes, Putty Putty, please tell us the story. Please, I just want to know it.
Fine, I'll tell it to y'all. So, anyways,